How to get units in Marvel Rivals. So basically, if you want to get units, just simply go to this icon right here in the homepage. And here you will see the daily missions which you need to complete. So you will see all of the things you need to do in order to get these units or the chrono tokens. So you need to, in one match, you need to inflict 6,000 damage. And you'd also see your progress right here. So if you did 2,000 damage last match, you can see it right here. And you could also click on refresh to refresh all of the mission or all of the selected missions that you want to refresh. So let's say this, you want to refresh this. If you don't want to do it, as you can see, it went to 10 or 6,000 damage to secure 10 assists. You could also get chrono tokens here on the challenges, and you'd also see your progress as you go through it right here. And there's a timer in which that challenge will be gone. So for this challenge, it will only take 17 days and 13 hours before it's gone. And for the event, so this one has an event which is the Midnight Features, where you can get 100 chrono tokens, and you could get units right here. So events currently in 3 days before it's gone, so you need to do it fast so that I could claim all of the units and chrono tokens right here. You can also get units in the battle pass if you purchase it. So as you can see, when I go down, you can get 100 units, but it's locked. The only free ones are the ones with no luxury sign right here. So if you want to get some units, you need to purchase the battle pass. But there are free ones, but it's on the bottom part, or it's on the lower part of the battle pass. So you'll only get, I think, 100 units on this battle pass for free. If you want more, you need to purchase the battle pass. Next thing that you need to check to get some units or chrono tokens is here on the battle pass right here, or in the top right section, and then achievements. So in the achievements, if you claim your achievements right here, I'm going to claim this one. As you can see, it will give you achievement points. And this achievement points, once full, it will give you 200 chrono tokens just by doing all of these achievements that you have right here. And for this one, it will give you 202. The Heroic Journey, it will give you units. And for the Chronoverse Saga, it will give you these. So the units are on the end part of the rewards. So that's basically it. So if you're in need of units and you don't know where, you could check out those that I showed you so that you could claim it. But those are the ways to get units and chrono tokens for free in Marvel Rivals.